Good evening, viewers. This is D. India Focus. I am Srichar. The exit polls for election 2026 are out, and tonight we decode what they could mean state by state. Remember, exit polls indicate trends, not the final result, but they do give a political mood check. Let's begin. Tamil Nadu. The most complex battlefield, I call it, viewers. Tamil Nadu remains one of the toughest states to predict. Why? Because of the one major factor which I look at, TVK and Vijay's entry. Traditional voting patterns in Tamil Nadu have usually been the DMK stronger in urban belts, while AIDMK has held substantial rural influence. But this election introduces us to a major disruption. Vijay's political debut creates uncertainty because new parties do not have a previous electoral baseline, making accurate prediction becomes more difficult. Several exit polls are showing mixed trend. Some indicate DMK retaining, and some others suggest AIDMK could edge ahead, while others predict a hung assembly if it becomes a coalition scenario. The biggest political question which I feel would arise is, where does the TVK go? Does TVK go with the AIDMK or with the DMK? Because TVK has always opposed DMK, so, or does it attempt to position itself independently? If it's a coalition, it can't do that. The core issue in Tamil Nadu is anti-incumbency versus vote split. If anti-incumbency against DMK is strong enough and Vijay significantly cuts into urban or youth votes, this election could become unexpectedly close. Tamil Nadu as of now is not a straightforward contest, it's a strategic puzzle. Puducherry, I look at Puducherry as a stability over surprise. Puducherry appears relatively stable compared to Tamil Nadu. The AIDMK alliance structure seems intact, and current indicators suggest continuity rather than dramatic change. Unless there is a late stage voter swing, the alliance appears positioned to maintain its hold. Looking at the West Bengal election, a high-stake political shift, West Bengal could witness one of the most significant political shifts of 2026. Exit polls signal and political sentiment suggest Mamata Banerjee may be facing her toughest electoral challenge yet. Issues like Arjekar incident, governance criticism, religious polarization have intensified anti-incumbency in several regions. At the same time, BJP appears to be considering consolidating the sections of pro-Hindu sentiment and expanding aggressively. If this momentum reflects accurately on the ground, BJP may have its strongest opportunity yet to challenge Trinamool's dominance. My reading suggests BJP could emerge with a major breakthrough, potentially in the 140 to 160 seats, if voter consolidation fully translates. Also, viewers, what I look at is Bengal has historically surprised the analysts, the pollsters, so this remains a critical state to watch closely. Assam, Himanta Biswa's leadership test, Assam appears comparatively clearer. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Himanta Dada, has built a strong personal political identity, positioning himself not just as a party leader but as a dominant regional face. Most like Yogi Adityanath in Uttar Pradesh, Devendra Fadnavis in Maharashtra, Himanta's campaign style, direct, culturally rooted, and highly visible, has strengthened his connection with the voters. His clarity on ideology, governance, priorities, and strong political branding may continue to work in his favor. Exit trends suggest Assam may once again reinforce his leadership. Kerala, Congress ahead but BJP rising. Kerala currently appears to favor Congress, but there's an important underlying shift. BJP's vote share increasing, seat share increasing, and presence increasing. While Congress may be positioned to lead the margin, appears narrower, and BJP opening or expanding its electoral footprint could significantly reshape Kerala's future contests. This election may not just be about who wins, who loses, but about whether Kerala is transitioning from a bipolar contest to a competitive triangular political contest. If BJP sustains or grows, the next election could be much more significant and tighter. Final national takeaway which I look at is, viewers, election 2026 is not simply about incumbency versus challengers. It's about new political equations. Tamil Nadu is a volatile test because of TVK. West Bengal could be a regime defining election. Assam seems leadership centric. Kerala may be signaling long-term structural change. Viewers, exit polls give us the first big political signal, but the final verdict belongs to the counting day. Until then, every trend must be read and with caution looked at. Thanks a lot for watching me, viewers. Until the next time I meet you all, signing off, Srichar. Thank you.